Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to discuss how to edit or create a gallery in WordPress website. First of all, we are move to our dashboard and select the page where we want to select. Go to pages. Is there find out the gallery pages and press the edit with Elementor. Then you will be moved to in this section. Is there we are at the gallery section here. Either we add different items like this. First item, I am going to select media. I will delete this. Okay, thank you. Press here, upload. Either we add different gallery media. First of all, I am going to test the size because sometimes more sizes give us some problems. Okay, that's great. Great size. Okay, going to add and open. Add our images to gallery. This will be reduced some time. This is the I think however system updating successfully some images. Please wait. First of all, we are going to add our first image. First image is this image. Done. Insert. The image is insert here successfully. We are at the second. Select here and select the box, click and press that. Select the 2. This is the 2. Insert here and select the here. Simple drag and drop. No need to any code. Just add images to this 4 images. Drag and drop. No need to any code. 5 6 I think so. This is 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 next is 17. Done successfully. Other one we don't need, we delete the other one. Press the update button. Let's see what happened there. First of all, we are going to set this name. This will be set in menus. Go to appearance and menu. Either we remove this. We remove this and we add gallery page. And we shift it to after services. Done. Press the save button. In the gallery page, we are going to see. I first click the edit button. this is updated. In the edit I'm going to remove the old logo for this page if this will be create some problem for us. I'm going to update this. Now I'm going to refresh my site. Oh no, this is my site. I'm going to refresh my site. Either I am check the gallery change or not from the portfolio. Yes, done successfully. At this time we are change the name successfully, and we are going to check the gallery page are working or not. Let's see what happened there. I press the gallery button. Done. Gallery successfully working. Done. Many images are shown here. What is this? I want to remove this because this is not the beauty. Where this come from? Okay, click here. I'm going to finding 17 is okay. System is performed very slow response. Wait please. Done. We are create this changes done successfully. Please, system performs very slow response. Done. I'm going to remove this and check what happened there. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 images show on our screen. Let's see where the error is. This is okay. Now I am going to 15. Find out. Yes, this is problem. Now I am find what I am remove. I think so. I remove this image. I am going to add this. This is already have. I think so. This image was removed. Oh, this is the first one. No. I will add this. I think so. For this image, let's see and check. Yes, we found this image. Done. Update. Now we check. Is there no error? That's great. We are make the gallery successfully. User when press any button, done. He will be move around the different images. We will make the gallery successfully. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching and press the bell icon when you need for more video. You will be notified by YouTube when if you press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching. Thanks a lot.